Hi guys, welcome back. We're in the UK woods again today and we're going to make a shelter only using a handsaw and only fallen branches, debris and sticks that we find lying around. Let's get it done. So these are perfect. These are what we need to find. These, they're already fallen, nice and dry, nice and thick. We can make some good strong cabin shelter walls. So also, while you're going along, you need to find about 2, 4, 6, 8, about 12 nice long sticks to make your supports for the walls. So what you do, guys, just keep dropping, build your walls, keep dropping logs inside. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut the shoelace into little bits of cordage just so we can tie the stakes together at the top. Right guys, we've got one little wall done. We've tied the top together with my shoelaces and that should just hold it all together nicely. So at the minute, I'm just piling on top, creating a roof, and then we're just going to fill it up with a load of like debris, green stuff to create sort of windproof, waterproof, and we're going to finish off building up the back. There we have it guys, one little log shelter, all insulated all the way round, built with only a handsaw and some shoelace. Right, so I've got a bit of kindling, bit of thing. We're going to try the cotton ball soaked in Vaseline. Let's give this a little, so you'll get the fibres out. Oh yeah, look at that, lovely. So we're going to make a nice little cup of tea to finish the day off. We're going to be lovely. Well, there you go guys, we done it. We built a log shelter with only a handsaw and we end up using my shoelaces. We've got a little fire going. We're gonna kick back, enjoy a cup of tea and a biscuit. Remember, if you like this video, give us a like, give us a sub, and I'll see you at the next one. Perfect.